Here's 9 1-inch thick by 9-inch wide boards, or something like that. Let's see. Yep, they're 9. Right there, you can tell. You can see it. That's a 12-inch long square from here to the end. These were reclaimed from a pine tree in my yard that was about to die. So I could have let it die and sit there and ruin, or go ahead and cut it down and cut lumber from it. They're 8.5 feet long, and they're 1 inch thick. And I can cut your logs for 25 cents a board foot for pine and 30 cents a board foot for hardwood. Up to 17 inches in diameter and 8.5 feet long. And $25 for every blade I ruin if it has metal in the material. See, I can cut 1-inch boards, 1.25-inch boards, 1.5-inch boards, and 2-inch boards. And we can add these up like 2 and 8, then an 8, then an 8 will give you a 4 and an 8 board thick for like a post or something like that. But I can add the numbers up, and it will allow me to cut thicker boards. This is a blade that I use. It's a wood miser blade. 35 thousandths of an inch thick to maximize the amount of lumber that comes out of the log and minimize the amount of waste to sawdust. The thicker the blade, the more sawdust it produces, and it's harder on the machine. That's why I use the 35 thousandths thick, because it's a thin curved blade. I think it's less than a 1/16 of an inch thick, I'm not sure. We don't charge any setup fee for the mill. You call ahead of time and bring your logs over and we'll cut them. And if you are just trying to get a little bit of wood and you got a lot of wood logs, I'll work out a deal with you where I split the wood and we take every other board off the mill. So if we cut 10 boards out of a log, I get 5 and you get 5. And that's the way I would do it, to split, so that way everybody gets some wood and you don't have to pay for it. And I'll let this stuff air dry for a while, get it stacked and stickered. It's dark out, but get it stacked and stickered tomorrow and let it air dry for a while, and it'll be ready to use. Make some cabinets or something out of, benches, hope chests and stuff. That's all for now. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.